Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video for all of you. And well, today we're going to be sharing with you a brand new unexpected DJI drone that has apparently been leaked. And in today's video we're going to go ahead, share with you, analyze it, and discuss whether or not this is real or not, because we know DJI is working on a couple of different drones for this year, and we're gonna be talking about whether or not this could be it. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which will be rather exciting. And that is because today, thanks to both our good friends from Drone NR and Igor Bogdanov, they share with all of us a very interesting image of what appears to be at a first glance the next DJI drone. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here we have it in screen, ladies and gentlemen. This is the DJI Micro X with the new smart controller that we just saw introduced a few months ago. We see that it's ultra light, 49 grams, and we can see that it includes a mini bag, and of course the actual aircraft itself, or whatever you want to call this really interesting looking object, because I mean this is something like we have never seen before. I mean, this doesn't even compare to the old DJI Tello, which, by the way, it has now been officially discontinued, and there won't be a new version coming out of it anytime soon. So what exactly is this thing that we just took a look at? Well, this could be what a next drone from DJI could very well look like. We do know that there are two code names that we are aware that exist. The first one is the DJI Romo and the other is the DJI Avinox. So we do know those code names have been found by our good friend Drone NR, whom is a reliable source. Now we do not know if these are going to be actual big cinematography drones or something completely different like what I just shared with you. Now the question here is, it is real or is it not? We have not received 100% confirmation if it is fake, but apparently from what we know so far, this looks to be a render that was done by a DJI fan. However, it does give us a good idea of what DJI could be going towards in terms of an ultra light drone below 50 grams, which would be absolutely mind-blowing with a camera and everything. So stay tuned, because we do know that DJI is working on something just like this. Will it look exactly like the image I just showed you? Probably not. However, it gives us somewhat of an idea of what we could expect to see from DJI within the next few months. But I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you, talk about it, discuss it, and I will also would love to know your thoughts about this concept. You like it? Do you not like it? Would you consider buying something like this, or is this something that you just wouldn't be interested at all whatsoever? But that is what I have for all of you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and see you very soon with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.